Hello, O to the school soldiers. This is your commander again, Master T. And of course, I just want to quickly encourage most of us. Yeah, most of our students who use the application, the O to the schools application, are students that I notice have written JAMB. From our interactions with them, they have written JAMB either 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, sometimes even 5 times. And this is very surprising because the students who are writing JAMB for the very first time never take JAMB exam serious. All right, they think that JAMB examination is just normal secondary school exam, and this is where most of us get it wrong. I'll tell you my story. I was a very, I will not say, I don't want to blow my trumpet. Yeah, when I was in secondary school, I was very intelligent. Yeah, I was the senior prefect of my school also, but then I was about one of the last persons that got admission in that set. Yes, among all my classmates, I was like the last person that got admission. This was because when I was preparing for my JAMB examination, I never studied. I relied on my brain. I said I've known a lot of things. I was the best in my class. So why do I even need to go and be reading for JAMB examination? Why not just go to the hall and surprise JAMB? Never did I know that JAMB would surprise me. I wrote JAMB the first time. I performed very poorly, below 200. I was shocked that why will students who are better than, don't get me wrong, yeah? Like academically, I know I was doing better than them. Why are they passing JAMB more than me? They even got admission. I wrote JAMB the second time. Performed poorly also. I began to ask myself questions. What is fundamentally wrong with me? I know all of these things now, right? I read my books in secondary school now. I was very intelligent now, but why was I not doing well in JAMB examination? Until I met my old primary school teacher who knew me and said, "Thank God, why have you not gotten admission into school?" I told him that I've written JAMB twice and I've not done very well. He said, "Thank God." He drew my ear. And do you know that since that day, I've never forgotten those words I told me. He drew my ear, he squeezed it so very well and told me, he said, "Thank God, you are not studying. You did not study for your exam. That is why you are performing very poorly. JAMB exam is different from secondary school exam. All right? Pin your bum, carry your books, pin your bum, sit down in one place and study. Do not go about looking for what is not looking for you. Your main priority now is to get admission into school so that you can be whatever you want to become." I reasoned. I said, "Really, I really have not been reading for this JAMB examination. I've never ever used my syllabus. I didn't even know what JAMB syllabus was. I didn't even know that for you to prepare for JAMB, you need to use the syllabus then. I just thought that my secondary school notebooks would be sufficient for me. Let me just revise them, go to the hall, and as usual now, I will get A. I will get a pass mark. I'll get an excellent score as usual." So I never knew that JAMB exam is a different ball game entirely. Most of you that are writing JAMB exam for the very first time, this is the same thought process that you are having. You think you have known it. You think it will be very easy. Yes, JAMB exam is very easy, but it is only easy for those who prepare adequately, who prepare very well for it. Things will be difficult for those who do not study, especially those who do not study at all with the syllabus. And that is why this application, the O3 Schools JAMB CBT application, is a game changer for you. Apart from the fact that it has all the past questions that you need for exam under the practice for UTME. All right, many of you never know that the exam you want to write is UTME. It's UTME you want to write, not JAMB, okay? But they are one and the same. UTME is Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination. JAMB is Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board. JAMB, they give admission JAMB, they give. UTME, na be the exam where you dey write. All right, but you can call it JAMB UTME. All right, or you can call it UTME, but if you like, popularly, they call it JAMB. All right, so it asks all the past questions there. There's a classroom feature. The classroom feature on the app is the best feature for you because in that classroom, you see the syllabus for JAMB there. In that classroom, you see video lessons. In that classroom, you see flashcard. In that classroom, very importantly, you will see study plan. It is that study plan that enables you to study and finish your syllabus on time. Also on the app, you can search for questions. Many of you do not know that whenever you read a particular topic, it is good for you to cement your understanding about the topic by answering a lot of questions. That is where question search feature comes in. You can go, after studying a particular topic, go to the question search for question on the topic you just read, and all the questions that, anything that resemble that keyword that you put there, all the question that they have ever said that resemble that topic will come out. You will answer them, then you build your confidence. What is more, mock challenge? The mock challenge is the game changer because you need to be in a competitive mood for exam. Your brain needs to be boiling. Your brain needs to be boiling. That is why we introduced that mock challenge. It's a real-time exam. You are competing the same time with every student that is writing JAMB, all right? So you need to take it very seriously. Apart from the prizes that you give for those who perform very well on the mock exam, on the mock challenge, all right? The major point is for you to test yourself, to test how prepared you are. Do not be found deceiving yourself that you have known it all, or deceiving yourself that, okay, you are on one WhatsApp group, that they are teaching you. All of those will not help you succeed. The only thing that will help you succeed is your devoting time to your personal study. Study very well to show yourself approved. Finish your syllabus by yourself. There's no one person that will tell me that he got 300 in JAMB by joining WhatsApp class. It's not WhatsApp class that makes you get 300. All right? WhatsApp class, I'm not saying that people who do WhatsApp class, I'm not against you. All right? I'm not saying that those of you who are looking for only WhatsApp class to prepare for your exam, that you are doing the wrong thing. No, what I'm saying is that only that cannot give you a good score. You need to devote time to your own personal development and study. If you do not study to show yourself approved, you'll be wasting your time. Many of you now, you have a tool, the O3 Schools app, that will enable you to pass your exam at once. You are looking for other options. You are looking for what is not looking for you, which is something I normally say to my students. The best advice I can give to you as a commander, all right, it was what worked for me. It is what is working for a lot of hundreds of thousands of students over the years that have been using our application. It is what will also work for you, is that pin your bomb in one place and study. All right, sit down in one place and study. You need this advice, okay? And it is good that you're hearing from me right now, because I myself, as good as I was, I wrote JAMB 3 times before I got admission. I later graduated from Unibe, University of Benin, okay, mechanical engineering. But before before that admission, what did I go through? I went through a series of disappointments. It is far, far better for you to get that application, get the O3 Skills app, pass your exam at once, than for you to write JAMB 2 times. It is more expensive to write JAMB 2 times than for you to get the app. Get the app, activate it, start preparing immediately. Time is of the essence. You do not have any time. All right. I will do a video how you will know maybe the time frame for your exam date. All right. Many of you never know that whenever JAMB registration has been announced, all right, you have only 1 month for that registration. After that 1 month, you have 1 more month before your main JAMB examination. So you do not have time to be playing. Once you know that registration date begins so and so date, okay, add 2 months, exam has started. So do not add that period of registration, because that registration period, it will be marked by a lot of inconsistencies. All right, you'll be going to centers to be packed full. All right, sometimes say you go and register and you will not be able to register that day. In fact, that month will be like totally a waste for you. All right, because you'll be tired after coming back from the registration centers. That means that you virtually have 1 month to prepare for exam. Some people will have issues with their NIN. I've been crying about NIN every time. Go and get your NIN corrected. Many students do not want to do that. This is the best advice you will get, okay, if you are preparing for JAMB exam, okay, this coming JAMB. So please ensure that you study. Get the O3 Schools JAMB CBT application now. Get it now, all right? Go to the classroom. Create a study plan. Start preparing immediately. Message number that's been shown on your screen right now on WhatsApp 09121515246. That's our customer care number. All right. And of course, we'll tell you how you can get the app and how you can activate the app and how you can start preparing immediately. You hold your academic success. You hold your academic future in your own hands. All right. Please give it your best shot. You do not have any time to be trying, especially those who are writing JAMB for the first time or the second time. We think you still have time, all right? You think you can still be writing. JAMB exam is very, very cheap now. Your registration is very cheap, so you can be writing and you do not have that time. You are wasting ample time. You are wasting ample opportunity for you to progress. Delay is dangerous. Start now. I will stop here, but of course, we'll see again. Message this number on WhatsApp immediately and get started today.